guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to make for you a cauliflower steak. Now cauliflower actually is one of my favorite vegetables, and I know sometimes it could be kind of tough to try to figure out how to prepare it, but actually is really versatile, and I'm going to give you an amazing recipe. So if you want to see what I mean, stick around. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay, so I'm going to start off. I have one large cauliflower, and off camera I went ahead and I gave it a good wash because I just want to make sure that it's nice and clean. And I'm taking a paper towel and I'm going to pat it dry just to make sure that most of the moisture is off. And now I'm going to take a knife, and when you do cut your cauliflower steaks, you got to make sure that you keep the stem in the cauliflower. I may have cut my stem just a little bit too low, but yeah, definitely keep the stem so that when you do cut your cauliflower steaks that the cauliflower will stay together. If not, then it's just going to break apart, and it did a little bit at the very end, but I was still able to get good 4 thick steaks out of this cauliflower. So here they are. This is what they're looking like. And so before I do anything, I'm going to brush some olive oil on one side of the cauliflower steaks, and then I'm going to flip it over and brush the other side as well. So I'm done with the olive oil, and now I'm going to season it real good with some sea salt. And now with some garlic powder. I love garlic powder. I go through so much garlic powder. I use it all the time. It just gives it such a great flavor. And of course with some black pepper. And then you just want to flip your steaks around and do the same on the other side. So my steaks are done and ready to go. I've already preheated the oven at 425 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and put those in. And halfway through, I'm going to take them out after 20 minutes and just flip them over. So this is what the steaks are looking like after 20 minutes of roasting in the oven, and you just want to take a spatula and just carefully flip them over. You'll notice that they are turning a little golden brown, which is exactly what you want. And you just want to put it back in the oven and just let them roast for another 20 minutes. So a full 40 minutes went by of roasting, and this is what the steaks are looking like. They're beautiful and golden brown. So now I'm going to add some more flavor, and I have some marinara sauce. Use whatever marinara sauce that you like. And I'm just going to add it on top of each cauliflower. It's almost going to be like a chicken parmesan, but instead of using chicken, you're using cauliflower. And it really isn't an exact measurement. You can just use as much marinara sauce as you like. And now I'm just going to top each steak with some shredded Parmesan cheese. And of course, just like chicken Parmesan, you got to add some shredded mozzarella cheese. And I've already set the oven to broil, and I'm going to sit this in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes so the cheese can melt and get golden brown. So the cauliflower steaks are done. This is what they're looking like. The cheese has melted and it looks absolutely delicious. You know, you guys, if you're like me, sometimes I'm just not in the mood for eating meat. I like to take a break from eating meat, and this is a great alternative. But yeah, this is a great recipe, and make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. But we are done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.